This is impossible. Yesterday it was flying. I have an RTX 4080. Sage attention. Block swap. Everything was lightning fast. And now I installed the update and it is a disaster. Look at this. Just look at it. It is supposed to be a painting of a cute little sled rider. But what is this? Chaos. Pixel noise. Total garbage. The first video was perfect. But the second one, just static and glitches. Where is the boy? Where is the sled? And now, crash. Out of memory. Why is the update doing this to me?
Oh dear. That looks more like a snowstorm on a broken TV, not an oil painting. The poor sled rider turned into pixel mush. Hey sis, Murphy needs help before he eats the monitor.
I see it. Classic memory corruption. The VRAM is choking because of the new update settings. Relax, Murph. I will bring your sled rider back. The new Comfy update changed how it handles memory offloading. It tries to be smart, but with heavy workflows like yours, it gets confused and produces pixel trash.
But I need it to work. I want the sled rider back. And I want that new front end everyone is talking about.
I will give you both. We need to tell Comfy to stop the fancy memory tricks and just use brute force. Open your start.bat file. We are adding 3 flags.
Brute force against pixel mush. I am in. Tell him what to type, sis.
Okay, Murph, listen close first. To fix the pixel chaos and the crashes, type this --disable -pinned -memory space --disable -async -offload. This stops the memory clogging.
Disable pinned memory. Disable async offload. Got it? And the new look?
Simple. Just add --front -end -version space comfy-org/ComfyUI_frontend at symbol latest. Save it, restart, and watch your sled rider come back to life.
Okay, restart complete. Loading the workflow. Wait, stop. Actually, the sled rider can wait. We wanted to make a video for our new rock song, remember? By the way, guys, you can find it on our new second channel. We created it just for you. So there is no confusion between these heavy tutorials and our music and art videos.
Eine gute Entscheidung. Trennung von Arbeit und Vergnügen. Aber erzähl ihnen von der Musik, Murphy.
Yes, listen to it. It is free. And see or hear what I can do today. It is better than the mainstream. Here on YouTube, we go wild. It is a sound experiment. From trash to chanson, from synth words to brass music. Totally different from our Spotify channel, Murphy and the Ziggys, where we keep it strictly band style. Here, anything goes.
Check the playlist. There is always something to discover. And if you like a song, just add it to your own playlist.
For the full blast, go to our second channel. Oh, and one secret, we actually used this video to test our new AI voice workflow. Now with emotion vectors.
Emotion-Vectors. Deswegen klingen wir heute so gut. Vergiss nicht die Werbung für die nächsten Videos.
Right. Do not forget to like. Visit the second channel and write in the comments what you want to see next. The plan is a short, easy pony workflow video. It works exactly like the SDXL1, also flux nunchaku, and Z, image, then the multivariants, and.
Murph, calm down. Everything is good. Bye, my friends.
Bye, my friends.
Ja, alles gut. Tschüss, bis bald.